All right, today we're going to talk about derivatives of inverse functions. So let's first of all look at an inverse function. Y equals the natural log of x. Well, let's start out by taking e to this. It gives me e to the y equals e to the natural log of x. Well, now keep in mind that e to the natural log of x then is just x. So we have e to the y equals x. Now let's differentiate that by using implicit differentiation. So the derivative of e to the y is e to the y times dy dx. And the derivative of x is just 1. Then getting dy dx by itself gives me dy dx equals 1 over e to the y. Well, remember right here we said e to the y was equal to x. So then that leaves me with dy dx equals 1 over x. And that is the derivative of the natural log of x is 1 over x. And that is our formula for the derivative of the natural log of x. So let's look at another example. So we have the natural log of 2x. Well, if it was just x, we would know it would be 1 over x. But this time, we have something else in here with our x. It's a 2. So we're going to have to use the chain rule. So in our chain rule, u is 2x, and u prime is 2. So now I have the natural log of u, which we know the derivative, so y prime, So when we look at this for y prime, it's 1 over u times u prime. Every time we use that chain rule, we have to multiply by that u prime. So then filling in my u and my u prime gives me the derivative of y is 1 over 2x times 2, or the derivative of the natural log of 2x is 1 over x. Okay, let's try another one. So now I have 2 to the x. So our rule, look at our rule. The derivative of a to the x is the natural log of a times a to the x. So when we look at y equals 2 to the x and we want to find the derivative, so y prime equals the natural log of 2 times 2 to the x. Okay, so let's try another one. I have y equals 3 raised to the x plus 4. So we know our rule for 3 to the x would be the natural log of 3 times 3 to the x. But this time we have more than just x up there. We have x plus 4, so we do have to use our chain rule. So u equals x plus 4. And u prime equals 1. So my y prime equals the natural log of 3 times 3 to the x, or 3 to the u, 3 to the x plus 4, times u prime, which is just 1 in this case. So then this is our derivative. Okay, so that is all the examples for today, and we'll see you next time.